Uh, Hello. Here is the IST, the weekly analysis for the week 28 to 28 June to July to 1st August. Let's look a little bit to the previous analysis. On monthly, I it looked bullish. We were somewhere right here, and it looked like bullish monthly. Um, on weekly, it looked like confused for me because we got this imbalance above and yet we didn't close below this imbalance, so a little bit confused. Uh, on daily, I was lying more bullish because we have completed the pullback, and then on 4 hourly I was lying bearish, so I was very confused and bullish on 1 hour. I've said probably that I do expect some run higher and then a run lower, but yes, I think it's we have had added a lot of information on the chart, and it's probably the time uh, to zoom out a little bit and have a clean look at this. So that's why I'm gonna delete everything and start because the analysis didn't play as expected, so I didn't had any expectation. So because of this, let's map the things again one more time. So like a restart, like a refresh. I got a low, I got a high. You could use this one or either one you want. The idea is that on monthly, the big picture, the swings are bearish. The internal are bullish, and the fractal also bullish. Like internal is you got a low, you got a high, you broke the high, and you expect you to go higher. We got also imbalance here. We may test the imbalance. And also we got this kind of we got the order block above here. Let's make it a little bit more clear. But also look at this wick here. It looks like pretty much like a order block. I don't expect this one to hold, but it gives you idea why did we so it make us have a clear look of why did this pullback happen here and not here or something like this. I think this is a trap and we will pass this one. Um, but yeah, we'll see. Why did I talk this as a order block? Because look, we got a low, we first at when this week opened, we first got higher, took the liquidity, and then swept lower. So this is pretty much my reason. Nothing too special. And yes, this is my expectation on weekly. Now we got also on monthly. Now we got also this imbalance, big imbalance here. And yes, Uh, in the immediate term, I do expect monthly to run higher and then see what happens here around here. Going lower on weekly. We got something else. Yeah, you see this is a clear order block on weekly. But I will let this as let I will let it as it is right now. Uh, and look what will happen. On weekly we're pretty clear in like the swings are very bullish. Yeah, I'm changing those. They are not staying the same like last time, but last time I think I got this high, this low, and this was a swing. Now I'm looking at this because yeah, I get more information, and you know this is how it is. So very important. We are still in a very deep premium with no serious pullback. Okay, we got kind of pullback for the uh, internal. Like this is the internal high, low, high pullback for the internal. Then we may run higher. Also, I had to have in mind the pullback wasn't that deep at all. So um, depends. Um, yeah, we are facing a order block right now, and the order block got inverse imbalance right here. No, my God, this was. But we got also one more imbalance down here. So hmm, it's interesting. Uh, on weekly, I'm also confused. I am lying more bullish to be honest, because we didn't close below this one. Uh, we got a low. So now look to the fractal. We got a low, we got a high, we got a new low, and then we broke the high. So the fractal changed bullish on weekly, and I'm staying bullish with it. Um, especially because um, the monthly is also being bullish. Um, and yes, this is pretty much my analysis on weekly. Let's carry some of those levels to daily and see what the daily tell us. Well, we definitely had a high, got a low, got a new high, so and then hard to tell, right? But daily, it looks to me. I am zooming out a little bit from the previous analysis because the last time I was so confused because I was so zoomed in, I couldn't. Yeah, actually, This is the internal, it's still the internal, no worry, no doubt. Um, yes. Now, daily, it's very, very bullish, obvious. Still not very, very deep premium, but still bullish, no doubts about this. We completed a pullback, not that deep, but also we visited the imbalance down here. And this order block, I want to map it all, everything on the chart, but yes. Um, the fractal, the internal still bullish on daily. Um, the fractal tend to show weakness, but I gotta remember this order block was one more time tested, but the imbalance makes me feel that think that we may go bearish, but not that, not really, because look, we got this one too who is holding tight. But I wanna see more information. I'm not jumping in anything right now because I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not no never. But sometimes I got a feeling of the market. Sometimes I'm confused. I I I I notice that when I'm confused, the best performances I have it's when I stay away from the market when I'm confused. Like literally, you know I don't like contradictions, and that's it. Now it's maybe a bad time to be long because we pumped this high, but we see what's gonna happen next week. Uh, on 4 hour, let's look to the 4 hour a little bit because the 4 hour looks interesting. I'm gonna be big on 4 hour. Like, look how back I go, unlike the previous week. Because this is the best thing you can do. When you are confused, you better zoom out. And now that I am looking at this in this way, hmm, it's bullish. Everything is bullish. You know, I wasn't able to tell you this last time, but now I'm very able to tell you this. We are very bullish, and that's clear. Um, this is my uh, swing. It's bullish. For our internal went bearish, but now it's bullish again. Then it stays bullish, but it made the church, so it may go lower because look, if you zoom in here, but I won't go short here. You know why? Because we already got a pullback, and this is most probably a drop. So the best thing I can do is wait. I could have gone bullish here. I did it. So right now, or here, I got one more chance. Um, on this candle actually, Monday on at 11. Look why I got a chance. Was this? Made a high, low. We made a high. We took the low, and then we took the high. We changed bullish. Right? In the immediate short term, we were bullish. Considering that this high low were respected, we were bullish. Right? And then what the price done? Gone, completed a little bit of imbalance, and then look, gone higher. That's simple. Uh, I missed this one, no problem. I got one more chance here. Look, we got a low, we got a high, then we have gone in this order block, price run higher, then come back lower in this tested order block, took the high, very easy trade, one 4 hour candle. Easy. Now we made the church. We took the low. We took the high. Didn't close above. Then we took the low. It may go lower, but who knows? I'm confused, and that's the reason I won't go for to look on 1 hour chart, because if the if I'm confused on the higher time frames, the probability that the lower time frame will bring me more clearness or clarity will not will be, they are very low. The probability is that the lower time frame will bring me more clarity when the bigger picture uh, make me confused are very low. Uh, so they could, like, literally you could easily probably find some good trades, like short term trades. Look, on 1 hour you could be bearish. Like, enter here, stop loss here, target here. Why not? Or yeah, but no, not now, because I don't have the time. I have to focus on the big picture. And probably the 4 hour is also not a good idea to trade. I have to focus more on daily and weekly and monthly. And daily tells me we may go bearish, but when I am when I do consider the monthly look, I am confused. The weekly look, I am confused, and the monthly tells me I'm bullish. We got those levels here, a big liquidity here. I better stay away. And yeah, this is I don't remember exactly, but um for the previous 2 or 3 weeks, I matched the the analysis, like my analysis worked. Then I got a week when I did expect to go higher, but also I was very confused. I stayed away, and well, I stayed away anyway because I don't have an account right now. But I'm doing my job. I'm showing up regardless. Uh, because I don't want to focus on the results anymore. I better focus on the process. And the process is very interesting, to be honest. Um, yes, we got the imbalance below, we got the imbalance above, we got a big liquidity around here, imbalance here. Not too much. I'm not taking any action right now. If I would, no, I am not taking any action right now. And that's it. Also, I don't have seen like uh if I have would have seen this structure, like this shift in here after some major liquidity being taken, I probably would have gone short. But now, no, because it's not the time right now. We did not seen major liquidity being run. So um better to stay on the side when you are not, when you are confused. Okay. uh yeah, this was my analysis for this week. Let's take a short look to the news. Maybe the news will tell us something. Yes, the news tell us that will be though this week I it will move, but I do expect to see it like being choppy with all the events. Or the week will move, most probably won't stay in accumulation. Uh, but yeah, I will pay close attention to this big imbalance, see what if it fails, and but before this, I will pay attention to this imbalance. And right now, it's a other block for me. Um, let's see if we got some other block or something on daily. We got this other block here, but I want to map it because it matches the imbalance. This is a bearish order block, and this is pretty much a very, very bullish order block because this top liquidity tube before a shift. Um, yes, I do expect to run between those two, and then if it passes this level, I do expect to go to this order block, and then I may be short on lower time frame to target this order block. If it passes this order, so this high, I will stay on my hands, maybe look for a retest and a continuation, but most probably I will do nothing. Um, so this was my analysis. Have a good week and see you the next time.